There. There. Yep. Yep.
Behind twice.
Yeah.
I didn't swing.
Yeah, you swung through okay both times, but you just pulled the trigger too soon. Just swing forward a bit more. I see it there. Big four. Don't about that much.
Okay.
Any shorter and you'll be behind.
Okay.
But actually you have a spread. I mean, you've got a choice between
Yeah.
that and that.
Okay.